Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Looking for, I said you are the one. Igorishi, you are the one. Wike, you are the one. Nigeria's looking for. You are the best of our choice.
If he believes in God, he must continue to thank God. That somebody who said he's God, said you will have money to pay salary. And God said, no, you are not God. I'm God. I will do it possible for them. Why won't you thank him? Why won't you thank him? If you remember where we are coming from 2015, how we suffered, how they nullified our election, National Assembly, House of Assembly, everything was brought down in this state. But to the glory of God, see where we are today. In 2019, they brought everything they had, fighter bombers, for just another election, fighter jets, which they could not use to bomb Boko Haram. They brought them here. What happened? God says, I am a God. Nobody will take my place. So if you know that, why are you afraid of all these bunkers? I call them bunkers.
Jesus, your name is Yahweh. Your name is Yahweh. You are the miracle working God. Your name is Yahweh.
So with what happened to us, we have no other hope other than God. So that's why when you see us talk, look at Nigeria today. When we started having problems of cultists and kidnappers, we sought for the federal government to support us. They refused. They were plotting to declare a state of emergency in the state. Today, where is Nigeria? Where is Nigeria now? All the evil plots against River State. Those plots have gone back to their various states. Let them declare a state of emergency now. No more River State. Kaduna, Katsina, Biobe. But all like declare now. Imo State, I think the man said yesterday, only you cannot handle security. Not so. He said, when Musadima said, I cannot do it alone. You will do it alone. You will do it alone. All the plots against River State. Plotting. All those who plotted against us in this state, they will never go free. All of them. All those who plotted that River State will fall, they will all fall first. They are rushing to Abuja every day. Have you seen me rush to anybody in Abuja? I only rush to Almighty God. Because he's the only person that can protect us and give us security. All this one they are doing is fake. Hope is not. Oh, I can't do it alone. I will do with the youth. I will do with the traditional rulers. I will do with the Christian association. Did they take oath as you took oath? You took oath that you protect them. Go and protect. You can't eat your cake and what? Conspire against River State, you will suffer. All the states that are conspiring, telling Mr. President, remove the CP, remove the CP, in order to destabilize our state. They will be kidnapping them every day. They won't go free. Didn't I tell you? It is a joke. They will never go free.
Them the bone face oh yeah, the wood and the bone face for. Easy body yeah. Yes, so wicked they walk oh.
So when they see us every day, national television, AIT, NTA channel, they say we will die. My business is to give them high blood pressure.
As they see with us, we go dey pain them. As they pain them, we go dey see with us. As they see with us, we dey pain them. As they pain them, I see they sweet. We go defend them. I see they burn them. You will defend us. I see they sweet. Alala Maria, Alala Maria, Alala Maria, Alala Maria,
So if they know God is with them, let them go and commission and flag up project now. What do we see bomb every time? Is there any bomb here? There cannot be bomb in God's own place. This is a state that we have given to God. It's a Christian state. If you want to kill me, kill me. I stand by it any day, anytime. Because we have dedicated this state to God, nobody can do anything. Nobody. So all of you, feel strong. Nothing will happen. As it is burning there, we're enjoying ourselves here. So some people have now said, I can't do it alone. Before I thought you said you are God. I thought you said, oh, you have government. Now you remember you can't do it alone. God has departed from them. Do you understand? God has departed from them. So the special guest of honor, you have been in the Senate. I thank you for honoring our invitation, for you to come and see what we are doing. So let it not be that since you are in the Senate, every time it's 3D we are showing. Come and see with your eyes. And which is one of those who have been giving us support. Don't relent. Don't be an Abuja politician. If you're an Abuja politician, let the whole tankers follow you, will cross you here. You know, people don't follow our record. My brother, if you do Abuja politician here, we will crush you. If you like being in the army committee, police committee, it doesn't work here. If you don't come home to seek for whatever you want, we will prepare you. We have what it takes, so there's nothing. The intelligence, the strategy, everything, we will do it. So don't follow those who are doing Abuja politics. If you like, Abuja cannot give you anything. They can't. They can't. Let them put their heads together. Whether you are party or not, nobody can impose anybody in this state. Not one. Not while we're living. It will not work. It will not work. It will not work. Only reverse people will decide what will happen. So, Barnard and Piggy, PhD, you know, we go to local school, no because they were going to keep us on our way to that level. And I hereby invite you to come and talk to the Ogoni people and flag off the consortium of government secondary school or Uganda local government to the glory of God. Thank you, and God bless you.
Jesus,